Alright everybody, so here we are with another final review. Hey, let's just jump right into it here. This is the AMT 1969 Ford Torino Cobra Fastback 1/25th scale model kit. Hey, this is kind of a cool kit. It's got a bunch of flaws. We'll talk about it. I talked about it in the previous video. As you can see my hand go, woo, but talked about it in the previous video, but I'll go over it again. Everything I did here. So let's just get right into it. This kit is readily available. It's a Hobby Lobby. Got it at the 40% off because you can't go wrong. It's 40% off. So let me just show you. Cool old school box here. Very awesome. Alright. So I just want to say this is one of these 3-in-1 kits. You can build it stock, custom, and as a stock car. It comes with all the cool parts for that. I did it kind of quasi-custom. So let me show you what I got. Woo! Alright, stick this little base that I put it on here and scoot it upward. So this is the 1969 Ford Torino Cobra. Torino Cobra Fastback. Let me just circle it around here a little bit. Let you soak that in. I need to get a base that turns. I need to get a... Alright, so let's look at it first here. One, the body is really sharp on this car. Two, the chassis does not really fit the car. So let me just explain real quickly what I did. I just painted it a metallic blue over a silver, masked off the line just underneath the lip there, so you got a little of the color right under the lip there. Really sharp. And then Tester's paint pen around the windows. Looks really sharp. Interior is just Rust-Oleum blue with the white seats. Focus, it's not doing it. In the dashboard is just blue and the white. I used the racing steering wheel. If you're using the racing steering wheel, not on the racing dashboard, because it gives you two dashboards. This steering wheel you got to cut the hole bigger for. So, alright. So, one of the well-documented features of this car is the fact that the rear wheels don't line up to the wheel well. Yeah, we'll go with the wheel well. So, if you actually build it, the wheel actually will sit like, it's right here. It actually sits like further up here, so it's not in the wheel well itself. So, what I did was, I kind of just drilled the hole straight through in the back. This is one of these metal axle ones. As you can see, the wheels do not line up with the axle there. This one actually came out a little bit better than that one did, trying to drill it straight through. The metal axle on this kit was too big. I had to chop it down a little bit. That's why my one tire sits a little wobbly. But I think there, by moving it back a smidge, I think that looks really good. Let me flip it around the other way here so you can see it. You can see this one is way up front still. Alright, did that. I cut the hole in the hood, which I have to say personally is my best hood cutting. I think I did a pretty dang good job there. Alright, so you've got the engine with the velocity stacks. The engine on, or the hood on this thing is a little hard to get on and off. Did the custom engine, I'll shoot up there. Shot up there. My classic yellow fan and my interstate battery. So that's all right out of the box. As you can see, I black washed the little vents up on the top there. Adds a lot to it. Let's just go around the front grille. The front grille, I think, is actually for a Fairlane. No front grille for a 69 Torino is that grille. I just black washed it, put it on, popped it in. The rear bumper. Alright, the rear bumper there. It's this big chrome piece. Looking at real cars, either this weird vented piece is either the color of the car or just underneath the Ford here and that part are black on most of the cars. I probably should have researched that before I used all the blue. By the way, the blue is a Tamiya light metallic blue. Alright. So, I got the racing side pipes on this car. Check this out. This is one of my cooler things here. Put the racing side pipes on. But because I did not use the headers that go to the racing side pipes, I cut what is the top part of the muffler here You know, I got a camera and I do this all one-handed here. So I cut part of the muffler off here, and I just use those pieces, those nice curved pieces, to connect from the headers to the exhaust. So that's the first time I ever did a little custom exhaust thing there. As you can see, it needs a little work there, but, you know, for my first time, I think that's pretty decent. Alright, underneath the car is all molded in one piece there. Oh, big deal. Just paint it all. You know, pick it out with paints. Boom, bada ding. The wheels from this on this car are not wheels from this kit. I wanted something kind of sporty, something draggy, so I kind of drag racy. So I went through my spare parts box and found those that fit. Very cool. Then I clear coated the hell out of it again with my Quick Shine floor finish. As you can see the shine on there. And I said this on my other videos, I probably put about 50 coats, not kidding. So, that looks really, really sharp. So, let me try to put the hood back on here. So, do I recommend this kit? I do, but not for a beginner. Because it just needs work. There it goes. Because it just needs work. And, you know. So, if you're an experienced person, let's do it. If you're a beginner, I don't recommend it. So, here's my car again. There'll be pictures here at the end. Still photos. I always put the AMT logo as a little city sticker on my AMT cars. The NPCs get the NPC in the back window. Trying not to touch the car, but my base isn't working. And my camera keeps going out of focus. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is a almost 7-minute video of my 1969 Ford Torino Cobra Fastback. So, like I said, stay tuned. There's photos afterwards. Like, subscribe, write me. I always say that I write everybody back. Alright, everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I'll catch you later, everybody.